we need to prove that root 5 is irrational. As usual, on the contrary, let us take root 5 is irrational. So I can write it as root 5 is equal to P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q should not be equal to 0. What we do here, suppose if P and Q have any common factor, after cancelling the common factor, it will get reduced to A by B. That we'll write. In the previous example, that is root 3, I have taken directly the reduced one, that is A by B, which are coprime. Here we'll make this coprime. If P by Q has any common factor, after cancelling the common factor, P by Q reduces to A by B, where A by B are A and B are coprimes. A and B are coprimes. You already explained what are coprimes. They are nothing but the integers which have 1 as the factor, or there is no common factor between A by B. Now, that means what? Now root 5 is equal to A by B. Squaring on both sides. What I will get? 5 is equal to A square by B square. Cross multiply. 5B square is equal to A square. That means what? 5 divides A square, which implies 5 divides A square. Therefore, 5 divides A. Therefore, 5 divides A also. Now, let, again we need to take let. Root 5 is equal to, no, A is equal to 5C for some integer C. For some integer C. So squaring on both sides again. What I get? A square is equal to 25C square. A square is equal to 25C square. I continue here. So substitute the value of A square here. What is A square? 5B square. 5B square is equal to 25C square. 5 ones are 5 5s are. B square is equal to 5C square, which implies 5 divides b square. Also, phi divides b. So what happened here? Phi is dividing b also, phi is dividing a also, which contradicts our assumption, that is a by b, a and b are co-primes. Let us write that, which contradicts our assumption What is our assumption? That is A by B are co-primes. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. Therefore, root phi is irrational. Root phi is irrational. I'll explain it once again. Prove that root phi is irrational. So what we need to do here? On the contrary, let us take root phi is rational. So then it can be written as root phi is equal to p by q. So p and q are integers, q is not equal to 0. This is the definition of a rational number. So now if p by q has any common factor, let us cancel them. After cancelling, this p by q reduces to a by b, where now a by b are co-primes. What are co-primes? Which should not have any common factors other than 1. Now root phi is equal to a by b. Now I'll square on both sides. What I'll get? Root phi into root phi is phi. This is a square by b square. Cross multiply. Phi b square is equal to a square. Now which implies phi is dividing a square. That means phi divides a also. Now let for a is equal to phi c for some integer c. Now again we need to square here. So this will be a square is equal to 25 c square. Now again, what is the value of a square? Substitute here. Phi b square is equal to 25 c square. Phi 1s are phi 5s are, b square is equal to 5 c square. Now which implies phi is dividing b square. That means phi divides b also. So which contradicts our assumption? What is our assumption? A by is co-prime. So that means our assumption is wrong. Therefore, root phi is irrational.